What's up, everyone? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I got a little surprise for you. I'm going to open a box, and I really don't know what's inside. All right, welcome back. So, little box here came in the mail the other day. I really didn't know what it was, but I did notice there's a little Clickbank sticker here. You can't really see that here. It says Clickbank, and ironically, I was like, what's Clickbank sending me now? Maybe they're giving me some free shirt or something. So I open it up, and this is what I see here. The Platinum 2019 Clickbank Award. So let's take a look at this thing here. All right. So looks pretty nice. Have it here in the bubble wrap here. Comes with a little card. Doesn't really say much. Right over there. Let's take a look at this bad boy here. All right. See, that's a little nice box here, nice packaging. Looks like we got a letter here, basically saying that as a Clickbank partner, you're a member of an exclusive global community. Received the Platinum Award here for 2019. Continued success on Clickbank. Pretty dang cool. So let's take a look and see what we got here under the foam. There it is. There it is. The old Clickbank 2019 Platinum Award. All right. So let's talk real quick about what this award represents before I close this video out here. This award really represents a lot of things. It's a lot of years of buying education, a lot of years of going to masterminds and events, a lot of dollars in testing, a lot of trial and error. And again, I'm not going to take full credit for this award either. This is a team effort between two media buyers and myself, and collectively we've done, I think just in the last 6 months alone, we've been over $500,000 in affiliate commissions. So I don't know exactly how much you need to get this award, but it's not something they just hand out to everybody. So whatever, we qualified for it, the team did, and we're excited to take this to the next level. We did do a lot of work to get to this. We spent a lot of money on testing. We tested a lot of offers. We did a lot of testing with different funnels and whatnot, and we've got, we had a survey it was like a questionnaire basically. That was the big one for us in November and January, and we were running the traffic from Facebook onto a questionnaire and then right into an offer on Clickbank, and that one really crushed it for us. I've had some success running diet on Clickbank as well. We've run the flat belly fix before. Back in the day we ran the fat diminisher. So I've had a kind of a long history with Clickbank, and kind of got a love-hate relationship with Facebook. We've had a lot of account closures, and I'm fighting a pretty nasty account closure right now. So it is what it is. It's part of the affiliate game. Anybody that's in affiliate marketing knows that Facebook doesn't like affiliates. I heard a guy the other day talking that, Facebook doesn't mind affiliates, and that's a crock. Okay, Facebook does not like affiliates. I was just starting to put a feeler out, trying to get my wait list going for my new product I have coming out, teaching people how to do this kind of stuff and create wealth on Clickbank and other networks through affiliate marketing. And they caught wind that I was doing this course somehow. I guess it's because I was kind of promoting that it's just a wait list for a course, and they pretty much annihilated me. They nuked everything that I had. So now I'm in the process of appealing everything. I've gotten some of the stuff back, but I don't have any business managers up and running currently, and that's all that's all being worked on. So hopefully we'll get back on track here. It's part of the life we live on Facebook. I did want to mention too that this wasn't all just Facebook traffic. This award was generated probably about 2/3 on Facebook, and probably about 1/3 on Pinterest. Okay, so one of the things we're going to be teaching here in our upcoming course, and if you want to get on the wait list for that, the link is below. The upcoming course is going to have basically the A to Z on how to do this stuff on Facebook, but then we're going to have a whole other course that's going to be included as part of a kind of like a bonus plan, teaching people how we've done this on Pinterest as well, because there's nothing more frustrating than to get everything up and running and getting profitable on Facebook and then have all your accounts get shut down. for really no good reason. I mean, the stuff we're running is compliant, the ads get approved, we read the terms of service, everything's there, everything's legit, and for whatever reason they just don't like affiliates. Their AI recognizes those affiliate links somewhere along in our funnel, and then they just knock everything out. We mask the stuff, we've used trackers, we've used tools, they still find it. It's very frustrating these days. With Facebook, I think the days of the affiliate marketer on Facebook are probably numbered at some point here. So we're gonna definitely be adding stuff to the course over time as we're getting better on native. Right now we're trying to crack that. We've got a lot of money invested in testing right now. We've cracked Pinterest. We've had a lot of success on Pinterest. We're going to show that in the training. And as we progress and move over to other traffic sources and master those, we'll be adding those to the course. So if you're interested in learning more about what we did to get this and want to learn what we're doing right now that's working now and what we're going to be doing in the future, then you're going to want to go ahead and get on that wait list, because the course isn't just going to be one of those fly-by-night 8-week courses. It's going to be something that we're going to be continually adding to. Once you become a student of ours, you're going to be able to join our, I don't know if we're going to use a Facebook group, honestly, we might be using something else, but you're going to join our group, and basically you're going to have kind of like lifetime access to us and to the course as we continue to add stuff to it and whatnot. So it's not really just a one-time investment that you're going to get a course and then you don't hear from us again, or we're going to try to sell you another course. We actually are going to keep this one kind of ongoing and probably eventually make it like evergreen, because it's such a dynamic landscape these days with Facebook and some of these traffic sources. Literally, like Pinterest was messing around with our traffic when they were going through their IPO, and then like a week after their IPO happened, their traffic went back to normal. So that's the kind of stuff you deal with these traffic sources. You're playing in their sandbox, so you have to understand that when you're in somebody else's sandbox, they control what happens to you and your business, okay? So you want to be diversified. You don't want to just rely on one traffic source to make your business and make your whole income and make everything going on. I have been fortunate enough to build up businesses, and I have a lot of websites that do I have a lot of SEO, search engine optimization, and I get leads from Google AdWords, I get leads from Yelp, I get leads from, I do get leads from Facebook. I have a lot of organic type free type stuff going on Facebook for that, and the big chunk of our leads comes from just good old SEO, and that business has been a staple in my life for the last almost 15 years. And when we have these ups and downs in the affiliate world, the ups are fantastic, things are good, we're buying new stuff, having fun, buying tools, buying education, going to masterminds, and then when things are down, it's not so fun, okay? You're spending money, you're actually losing money most of the time when you're testing until you crack a campaign, and then when you crack a campaign, the good times, the champagne bottles start popping and you go start having some fun again. So just be aware that the overall business of affiliate marketing, if it's something you're really interested in, is not like a steady Eddie type of business. It's not like going to work and getting a paycheck. You can make a lot of money in a short amount of time when you hit a campaign, a lot of money. We've had $100,000 profit in a month, and we've done that, and we've done that consistently over time. But when you have a down month or two or three, in some cases, you could potentially be down $20,000 or $30,000 just in your testing budget. So when you're bringing over to a new traffic source and you're trying to figure things out, you have to spend money to make money. That's just kind of how this business is. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment below if you like the Clickbank 2019 Platinum Award, and if you haven't banged the notifications bell, bang the notifications bell. If you could share this video and let people know that I'm out here working hard to show everybody how to do affiliate marketing in today's economy. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.